So after a while, I think it's been over a week, I started to post again another batch of ads for my business, and hopefully this is it. To give you a bit more details, I was seeing some error. I don't know why. It was a bit weird. I tried to fix a few settings like thumbnails because they were saying the images is not, I don't know, very weird. But my ads weren't delivering. I did a few fixes, and now it's been in review for a while, so it seems like it's gonna go through. Facebook, they don't want to make money, but at the end of the day, honestly, I keep having these thoughts, and I've been in my mind lately. I see a lot of people on the internet making money, seeing success, and this is how I used to view it as, and a lot of people still do, where they get envious, and they have these thoughts where they ask themselves, why is it them? Why are they finding success and not me? What am I doing wrong? Do I deserve it? Am I dumb? And I understand if you ever had those thoughts. I used to. But especially it's hard with social media. Basically, all social media is you're comparing your life to someone else's. And yes, there are such huge pros to social media. You know, you get to connect and talk with, likely-minded people, and you can share value with each other. I've been getting value shared with other guys like you watching this video, and it's been something I'm so grateful for. But there's also a very dark side to social media where you start comparing yourself to other people. You start comparing their results to yours. And it definitely gets you in a very bad mind space. It definitely gets you really down. And I just think that it's very important for you to just trust in the process and trust in your own story. Again, believe in God, believe in the plan that He has for you. A good mindset shift that really helped me through those times where I had those bad thoughts was just, God has a better plan for me. At the end of the day, it's not really about the results. Obviously, I'm so fixated sometimes on, I can't wait to see results. I can't wait to be free and live a free life, prove people wrong. There's so many ideas that revolve around results. But at the end of the day, it's really the character you're building. So, yeah, maybe someone who's 15 years old or, years younger than you, or not even, just someone who's gotten results quicker than you. Yeah, they may have the results, but you have to look at it in a way where it's like, well, when I get my results, I'm going to become better because it took me longer, it was harder, and that develops character. A lot of these other people that they get money easily, I'm not saying everyone, but a lot of them, they don't develop character because it's not about if you can make money. Making money is pretty simple. It's not easy, but it's pretty simple. It's maintaining money and keeping the wealth. That's very difficult. So if you are not building your character and you just got really rich quick, you have no character build, and you'll probably spend it all in a very short period of time. The way I see it is just, again, failure after failure. I'm gonna be honest. Again, it's a very real, raw, authentic video, and I tell you straightly my thoughts. Honestly, it's funny because a lot of people on YouTube, they see the best in everyone else. I'm showing you my worst. I'm showing you my thoughts. I'm not even speaking properly because my mind is just running. I have no script, no nothing. But a lot of a lot of the times I really just get used to failure. It may sound bad, but I feel like I've been involved in so much failure where now again, when I post these ads, it's just another time, just another effort. It's just another shot on the board. I've been here, done that. When I used to post my ads, especially in the first few times, I would be so nervous. I'm like, oh my God, I'm about to make money. I have to make money. I've been checking my phone for sale. Honestly, now it's just again another shot at it, and if it doesn't hit, just get back to the drawing board. I've been here, done that. I really stopped trying to care about what other people think, because at the end of the day, I know that I'm trying my best, and everyone's on their own journey, and people can judge all they want. People can think what I'm doing is dumb, or I'm just they don't believe in it, but I don't care really. I really truly try to focus on God and myself and my journey and my character development. I trust in myself. I trust in God. I trust in what I do. And if you really just focus on yourself, the time period of when you get it really is not a huge factor. It's more of just, you're gonna get it. Just keep trying. Just take step by step. Because if you jump, you fall. But if you take step by step, you get there slowly, but you'll get there you'll get there. You'll get there stronger. Anyways, I will now leave the next few days to just let it run. Usually I would be looking into creating new creatives while they're running, but I don't know. I'm not sure if this doesn't work. I might switch products. Heck, I might even switch platform. I might go to TikTok. I've been hearing a lot of good things about it, even though I never liked it, but I hear a lot of good things about it, so maybe I might try that. I don't know. Again, my plan has been all over the place. It's never set in stone. So I just go day by day and I do whatever I think is best. Right now, like I said, I'm not sure if I'll keep this product. I really tried. I spent a good amount of money, and I really tried for it. Maybe it wasn't it. And if it doesn't work for me, I'll do a product reveal. So you guys make sure not to try it, or maybe try it and you do better than me. I don't know. Honestly, I have no idea. But I do know that the future is bright. If you don't believe that, I don't know why you're even waking up in the morning. So that's the only thought I have in my head. The future is bright. Just keep pushing. And when you keep pushing, that's when I'll see you at the top.